Hey guys, Motorcarnut here, and today I'm going to show you how to reset the tire pressure warning light that's on the dash. This one right here, it just went out. You know which one I'm talking about. That guy right there. Alright, I fixed this one because I always check, make sure the procedure works before I post a video. And this one's simple, assuming you have no problems with the tire pressure monitor system, the little sensor in the wheels. Like if the battery's dead, this is not going to help. But if you disconnect the battery, or if the pressure gets low and you put air in a tire and the light doesn't really want to reset, there's an easy reset procedure. This is a 2014 Volkswagen Passat. In the glove compartment, you're going to have a reset button right here. That one is a reset button. See, the set button. And what you're going to do is you're going to shut the key off, right? You're going to hold that button with one hand and turn the key on with another hand, okay? And you're going to see it's going to probably blink. Sometimes they don't blink. Mine didn't blink. It just went out like this one did. But sometimes it blinks to acknowledge that it's reset. And you just shut it off. And you start the car up and confirm that it doesn't come back. So now, if it does come back, like I said before, you can have a problem with one of the sensors, and of course that's not going to clear until you replace that sensor. All right, so this is just a lot of people don't even realize there's a reset button in there. And that's what it's for. A lot of times, the pressures go low, and sometimes the computer doesn't reset by itself until a certain drive cycle, and it's annoying. So they got the reset button there. You don't have to use any kind of fancy scan tool or nothing like that. You can test drive it around the block or on the highway. If it comes back, you can try resetting it with a scan tool, but usually there's going to be a code. This one, usually that sets when it loses communication. Like I said before, if you disconnect the battery or the battery runs low and it dies on its own, sometimes it does that, and that's why it has a little reset button there. Now, with the scan tool, you can probably hard reset it, but like again, if there's a problem with the sensor, it's going to come back. All right, guys, hopefully I tried to make that as easy as possible, and see you guys in the next video. Thank you very much for watching, and I appreciate all the support I'm getting. I'll see you guys later. Thank you very much.